Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix DirecTV Steam buffering issue, fix lag and freezing. Fix 1. Power cycle everything. You just have to unplug your TV or streaming device from the wall. Then unplug your internet router and modem and wait for 60 seconds. Plug the router and modem back in and wait for all lights to turn green. Plug your TV or streaming device back in and open DirecTV Steam. Fix 2. Clear app cache and data. For Roku, you just have to press home button 5 times, press up button 1 time, rewind button 2 times and fast forward button 2 times. This sequence clear the system cache and restart the device. For Fire Stick or Android TV, you just have to go to the settings and select application and then manage install application. There you have to choose DirecTV Steam, then select clear cache and clear data. For Apple TV, you just have to force close the app by double tapping the TV or home button on your remote. Then swipe up on a DirecTV Steam app. Fix 3. Check internet speed. Open a web browser on your phone or laptop connected to a same Wi-Fi. Then go to fast.com or speedtest.net. Run the test. You need at least 8 Mbps per device for HD and 25 Mbps for 4K. Fix 4. Switch to an Ethernet cable. First of all, you just have to disconnect your device from the Wi-Fi. Then plug a physical Ethernet cable to your router. Plug the other end directly to your streaming device or TV. Fix 5. Reinstall the app. Uninstall or delete the DirecTV Steam app from your device. Then you just have to restart your streaming device and download and install the app again from the App Store. Thanks for watching.